Today I wanted to do a long overdue mail call to thank so many wonderful people in the gardening and homesteading community for sending me these plants and seeds. The first one is for Bear Fruit Gardening. She was doing a review of some various seeds that she was planting, and one thing she mentioned was blueberries tomatoes. I had never heard of any such thing, and she said simply comment below and I'll send you some seeds, and that's what I did, and she kindly sent me these seeds. Now, because we're still in the heart of winter, one of the things that she's focusing on right now is grow lights, but she covers a host of topics. I'm looking forward to seeing more about her cattle panels. She got some of those home in her car, and she's going to be putting that in her garden. The next one is Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Mama Z's is a fixture in the homestead community, and she can cook like nobody's business. She reached a significant milestone on her channel, and she does a lot of live streams, and one of the things that she did was she was giving various things away. I was a very happy recipient of these Merlot Tomatoes. They're heirloom seeds from Baker Creek. I want to thank her for sharing these. Her and her husband are really neat people. She does a lot of live streams. She does one on Saturday morning where she shares some of her recipes. And last but certainly not least is Rose 5150. Miss Rose 5150 was a recipient of some rosemary cuttings that I had shared to celebrate my 100 subscriber milestone. And once she had my address, she turned right around and sent me various things in the mail, and I was very pleasantly surprised. Certainly wasn't expecting it. She sent me these lovely succulents here. I had to look this one up. It's called an umbrella plant. And she also sent these elephant ears. And the last thing I wanted to share with you is these camellias. I've always wanted some camellias for my yard. I have a traditional southern yard. I have some azaleas, and this is going to be a nice, wonderful fixture for my yard. I thank all of you for your generous sharing of your plants and of your seeds, and hopefully I will be able to return the favor. If you haven't gotten a chance to go to those 3 channels, please go and say hello, and you won't regret it. Thanks so much. Bye.